Hello, here's Python code that flies a Tello drone in a triangle. It'll fly any polygon. Some of you may remember Logo or doing pen down in Scratch so that you can make polygons in various shapes. Well, it's kind of fun to be able to do that with a real physical object that's flying in the air. So here's how it works. The Tello module comes from Micro Linux Tello, and I've customized it quite a bit to make it work more like I want it. And it really simplifies the job of communicating with the drone from a Python application. And you can see that I create an instance of the Tello object and then get the battery value, which when I ran this was 51%. And then I tell it to take off, and that worked. And then I say, and then we call fly poly with an argument of 3. So here's fly poly. It takes the number of sides in your polygon, and it loops that number of times, and it moves forward 150 centimeters, and then rotates 360, a full circle divided by the number of sides. So in the case of a triangle, that'd be 120. So you can see here, when it runs, it goes forward 150 the first time, and then counterclockwise 120, forward, counterclockwise, forward, turn, and then it lands, and then gets the battery. So it used up 2% of the battery for that flight.